Ketogenic diet is the super low-carb diet. In this diet, the carb will be less at the extreme level, the fat will be much higher and the protein will be at the mid-level. Typical ketogenic diets contain 5% of total caloric need carbs, 25% of protein, and 60% of fat. This means that the percentage of food in the amount of food you eat throughout the day. Our normal diet contains 50% carbohydrates, 20% protein, and 30% fat. Suppose you eat 1,200 calories throughout the day. 50% carbs mean you have to eat 600 calorie carbs. Beef, chicken, all kinds of fish, eggs, butter, cheese, yogurt, ghee, nuts, healthy oils such as olive oil, coconut oil, sunflower oil, any red-green vegetable, spinach, broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower, gourd. You can eat all kinds of spices, olives, avocados, strawberries, lemons in the fruit. The body holds less water due to fewer carbs. So water goes out of the body. Each 1 gram carb holds 3 grams of water. So you need to drink more water to keep your body hydrated. At least 3 to 4 liters a day. To reduce water and mineral deficiency, 1.5 to 2 teaspoons of salt a day should be eaten throughout the day. How to start a diet. Breakfast. Those who are accustomed to eating in the morning at 8 or 8:30 can be given a cup of tea, ginger, lemon, a little salt without milk sugar. You can eat apple cider vinegar or coconut vinegar with lukewarm water and lemon chips with lukewarm water. Also, those who have a habit of eating breakfast late will have breakfast at 11 o'clock and lunch at 3:30. And if you have breakfast at 8 in the morning, you have to have lunch at 1:30. Lunch. Before lunch, you must mix 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar with a glass of light hot water. This will not be a problem with your gas and will help to cut fat. Vegetables must be cooked with extra virgin olive oil and fried fish. Refrain from deep frying as it spoils the nutritional value. Boil the vegetables as little as possible. As if the quality of vegetables is right. Egg yolk with ghee or butter and fry. There is no problem in being able to eat a maximum of 6 eggs with yolk in one day. Because eggs are a source of protein and good fats. However, once the fat adaptation, you cannot eat so much. You can eat local chicken, 1 or 2 pieces, or the mentioned beef. Do not eat any meat while eating fish. Do not eat fish while eating meat. Also, expatriates can eat farm chickens in 1 piece, because as far as the farm chickens are fed the ideal food there. Eating meat is not more than 1 piece. On the lunch menu, you can have vegetables, fish or meat, fried eggs in ghee, butter with fried nuts in ghee, and of course, you can also have cucumber or cucumber salad with tomato carrots. In the afternoon, if you feel hungry, eat the tea, butter, coffee, and nuts mentioned above, fried or mixed with any type of butter or ghee. Dinner. Drink a glass of water mixed with vinegar before dinner and eat dinner similar to lunch. Item 2 is no less a problem. Finish all meals before 8 o'clock at night. Then do not eat anything except water. Do not eat anything other than the above mentioned foods in your diet. Things to obey and do. You have to go to bed by 10 or 11 at night. This is because our body secretes growth hormones between 10 and 2 o'clock at night, and these growth hormones help a lot in fat burning. If you ignore this natural thing, your diet will remain incomplete and you will fail to get good results. Then get up very early in the morning, and go out for a walk. Walking speed will depend on your age. If the age is above 40, walk at normal speed for 40/60ths of a minute. If you are under 40 years of age, do jogging or walk hard for 40/60ths of a minute. However, take care not to get short of breath or shortness of breath while walking. Adapt to the body as much as you walk or exercise. You can do yoga to lose fat fast. Follow the rules for 7 to 8 days in the above manner. During this time your body will learn to burn fat. Then start fasting just by drinking water, refrain from drinking water, and eating everything during the day like normal fasting. Meal for breaking fast can be made with nuts with butter and cucumber with pickled fruits. Drink water mixed with vinegar and eat dinner similar to the one mentioned above, and must finish all meals before 8. To get better results, finish the meal within 1 hour of breaking fasting and then continue to drink water. When you start fasting, if you stand up from sitting, your head may turn a little. In that case, you should drink water mixed with a little pink salt. You can also drink coconut water every day. It is very important to eat young coconut every day. The more you can fast, the faster you will get results. However, after 7 days, do not fast for 2 days and try to finish eating within 4 hours for 2 days. If you fast, your body will start autophagy. Autophagy is the process by which the body eats away at its bad cells and creates new ones. Like the sprouting of new leaves in spring, it will show that you are being born again and you are regaining your lost youth. In a few days, you will notice that your appetite has decreased. People who used to eat or were forced to eat repeatedly do not want to eat because the body has a lot of stored fat. The body is meeting all its needs from there, so you do not feel the need for extra food. That is a different feeling. You are getting stronger without eating where you used to be weak without eating. And if you can't fast for a long time, fast at least twice a week and walk and exercise regularly. Hopefully, within 2.5 months you have reached your desired goal. However, on other days, eat twice, do water fasting for the rest of the time at 4-hour intervals, that is, green tea, vinegar, lemon, green tea for 20 hours after eating them. Also, those who are diabetic patients can control their diabetes by following the mentioned rules. However, all diabetes medications and insulin should be stopped before starting the diet. In their case, even if they do not keep fasting. If you are a very complicated patient of diabetes, then start with the advice of a doctor. It is very important to measure your diabetes and blood pressure regularly and know which foods are high in sugar. What foods you can't eat at all when you are on diet. Everything made of rice. Everything made of wheat like bread, none, any type of biscuit, other items made with wheat. Potatoes, sweet potatoes, or other potatoes. Sugar and sugar-made products, everything on earth. Products made with yogurt, tuck yogurt, milk, and direct milk. Honey and sweet fruits cannot be eaten. Soybean oil, sunflower oil, rice bran oil, canola oil. And anything cooked in ordinary oil cannot be eaten. Try to stay tension-free as much as possible. The smile will be happy. Try to apply the soft sun in the morning during or after a walk every day because the vitamin D in the sun helps to keep our body healthy. Avoid using all electronic devices at 8 o'clock at night as this will improve your sleep quality. Hope you like our video. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get more videos like this.